So we come inside the shed. Book of the Dead is sitting on the counter there. And then we're adding, Joseph comes in here to throw away the book pages and all the stuff from his relative. And so we're adding that bag with the pages spilling out of it, which are going to be like a floor graphic on the ground. Little chainsaw Easter egg going on over here. And then this is about Deadite Max attacking Alice, who's our heroine in the movie. So she comes out with a pair of hedge clippers from over there. And then, I guess I can work him. Give me a second.
John Murdy, puppeteer.
We just haven't added the blackout curtains for the performer yet.
Oh, there he is.
Oh my gosh.
The dog's name is Max, right?
Max.
Max, there we go.
She's finally here. She wasn't here last night.
Oh, no way.
The performer hits her trigger, and then we reveal a static figure of her, and then take the light off of this, and then she's actually hidden under the stairs.
I didn't want to ruin your shot.
You're fine.
So she attacks you and drives you into the kitchen. And then she says, "Killing me is easy." And then she slashes her throat from ear to ear, and you get sprayed with blood. And then her boyfriend Joseph crashes through the door with an electric carving knife on the other side. You're kind of caught in the middle of the action. And then we're going to go out into a hallway where we get attacked by the grandmother character, Polly, with a broken mirror shard. And then that takes us into the bathroom. See, it's the right way. Came in yesterday and she was in the wrong position. So, she looks wrong. So Alice has the brush cutter, and she's literally cutting Susan from her shoulder blade down into her chest. And you get sprayed with blood, of course. And then through the windows, everything looks like it's on fire, smoke effects, etc. And then as you're coming through, you're getting attacked by Deadite Susan and Deadite Edgar before you go outside for the final sequence, which is all outside the house in the woods.